So we're just gonna start like over here where my nightstand is. I basically just have like my vitamins, my Care of vitamins. I've mentioned them before in some of my videos. This is the vitamins that you take a quiz for, and then they pick out all like the types of vitamins that you need in your life and what like could benefit you and stuff. And then they come like in this little thing, and it's so cute because it's like a little, you pull one out and then the other one like just falls. So I have this here because I want to remind myself every day to take them. This is a picture of me in Ocean City, Maryland with my friends I graduated with. That's Lynette and that is Lindsay. I can't wait to see you guys. Love you. And then this is a really big shell from, I don't even know where it's from to be honest, but it's really big and it's super heavy, and I just keep it here for like decorations because like my room is very beachy vibey, so like I really like this. And then this is just like a wood nightstand, and then I just have like 2 drawers here. And then obviously my bed is right here. This comforter is the best comforter I've ever owned in my entire life. This is from Walmart. It's by the Better Homes brand. You guys can find this anywhere. It's like the really thick kind of like bed sheet or bedspread thing, and like it's just amazing. All of my sheets and everything like separate. This is like, it just came with just this and then like these pillow covers. And then I got these 2 at Marshall's. Oh hey, this is Ralph Lauren from Marshall's. This one is like a, I'm not sure exactly what the brand is, but these 2 kind of match, so I love that with the accent wall. My sister got this for me. It just says sweat, smile, and repeat because I go to the gym, and like it's so cute and it matches my room. My pillow pet, I've had this for like years. I got that for Christmas. This is just my throw blanket that I keep on here. I got this from Marshall's, and this is just like a cheetah print blanket that's absolutely so soft, and I love it, and like it keeps me warm during the winter. Over here is my mirror. Hey, I look terrible, but what's up? This mirror I got from my job. Oddly enough, they were using it in like my restaurant, and like they didn't want it anymore, so like I was like, I'll take it. Nothing really goes on in this corner. That's just my MacBook. I keep that on the ground. I have one window here, and then this is my TV station. And then I just have a candle that I got from Bath and Body Works. It smells like a freaking chocolate cookie. And then this is where I keep all my change from serving. I'm a server, as some of you know, so I have a lot of change all the time. And I'm actually saving this up for a surprise for everybody, and I will let you guys know what my surprise is, hopefully in 2 months. This is a tall dresser, and this has all of my clothes, you know, obvious things like that. I have another window here, and then that's the same curtain as the other side, obviously. A trash can that's blue. Don't ask why. I don't even know. It just, I think I got it like when I was going to college, and I just kept it for my room. I do have one of these also. It's like a fall scent right now. It smells amazing. And then this is like my main, like, I guess you could say dresser, sort of, kind of, because I always go to this mirror like for everything, or like when I get ready and stuff like that. So I just have like, these are from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, these big round things. My mom and I just found a bunch of seashells, stuffed them in there, and then found this candle that obviously matches my room. We put that in the middle, and I have one on that side as well, and this cute little turtle my mom got from Punta. Then I have 2 of the same, 2 other like fall, you know, seasons greetings candles. This is the pumpkin apple and the cinnamon spice vanilla. It smells really good. Right here is like kind of like a jewelry station slash, I'm still organizing it. So I have my earrings that I usually wear all the time, my rings, and then ear cleaners. My favorite perfume at the moment, it's the Ocean by Anthropology. It smells really, really good. I only use this probably when I go out like for dinner or really nice occasions, but I just love the way like the design is on the bottle, so I just keep it. My Sugar Bear hair, and then I have just my keys right here, and then like I have to add more stuff to that. And I'm trying to buy like little cute gold, what are they called, like, I don't know, like a little bowl or something to put all my chapsticks in because I have so many, and also for my hair ties. So that's that, and then that's my bathroom, but it's absolutely hideous. Like, it's not really that clean, but yeah, it's kind of just like a simple bathroom, you know. And then over here I just have starfish that go with my room, my laundry basket, and then these are my 2 closets. So if you stand like at this angle, you can see there's one, there's the other, and then I have like kind of some space right there. My laundry basket used to be right there, but I kind of want to move it because I just felt like it. So I was like, you know what, we're just going to change it up a little bit. And then that's kind of it. Yeah. So that's pretty much my room. I don't know the feet by square feet thing, but like, yeah, I love it. So that's my room tour. Okay, so you guys want to know something really funny? I know I look absolutely terrible, but my phone case actually matches my room. And I thought that was so funny because I just looked at it and I was like, wait a second, my phone matches like the background like color of my room. Like it's like literally the same exact thing. Like I thought it was so funny. But yes, that's gonna be the end of my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't really go into depth with everything because honestly, I don't even have like that much to really like show. I just have like a really bright color accent wall, like I said, and then everything else kind of just follows with that. So let me know if you guys want to see anything else. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you want, because I will be posting a lot more great surprises and like things in store for you guys, because I'm super excited. I've been really working hard lately, so hopefully, you know, it pays off. So thanks again and have a great day.